Welcome back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and today, I don't know if everybody knows, but it's something I discovered a while ago. I was so happy about it because I just did a painting job this morning, and that's my roller. It was like 2 hours ago. Of course, I put some water in the container so it won't get too dry. Otherwise, once the paint dries, pretty much you're out of luck. No matter how much you rinse those rollers, there is always some kind of paint on it. I mean, it looks like it never ending. Now a quick system, and now that's the problem. Wish I can do it one hand. I'm trying to see if I can do it one hand, you know, because technically I'm using a, yeah, they might do it. No. Okay, so I need to get a stick. Let me come back. Let me get a stick so I can hold it up and I can do it for you. I'll show you. They can work for the bigger rollers too. Technically it's a little messy. Thank God I have this area, like a rinse area for dishes with a sprayer. It can be hot or cold water, but normally you can use outside a garden hose. I use one of these like this. I picked up this one from Aldi, by the way. It was only like marked down to like $9. I paid $4.50, like half of it. Full metal construction. I was very pleased with this one. That will work as long as it has a sprayer, and it does, sprayer feature. So let's go back to my roller. I'm gonna show you how to clean it perfectly in only like a minute or so. And you know, actually use a pair of pliers. I didn't have any clamp, you know, so with a broomstick to hold my roller in position. And normally I do it outside into a field, like grass is the best for a full size, because it is pretty messy. But it will clean your roller, like it will clean it like nothing else, because the centrifuge, you know, it will take all the paint. If you put it under running water, you just get it out, but not like this. So now it's pretty messy, as you can see. As long as you keep on a certain angle, it will spin it. Now the spinning effect, centrifuge, almost like a dryer. If you do it, you know, just rinsing normally, it's not the same. You can see the RPM are really good. So once again, this would work with a small roller like this, a big one. I recommend doing it outside with a garden hose, using something like this, you know, on a spray function. You put a sprayer technically on one edge, so it will make a spin. I mean, it's so much better than trying to rinse it or soak it. Within a minute I have a very clean, because the spinning removes all the residue of paint from it. Anyway, that's it. That's how to clean a roller brush very quickly using centrifuge, you know, like a spinning motion with your sprayer, or a garden hose if you use something like this into a spraying pattern outside. I recommend to do it over grass, don't do it over concrete unless you want to rinse it afterwards, but it does work amazing. As you can see, and there is virtually, and I use a little bit because this one thing I got dry this morning, but I didn't do it quickly. It was like 3 hours ago when I used it. But if you do it like within an hour, 30 minutes, especially if you do it right away, it's incredible. They actually brings back to life rollers instead of just dumping them. And let's do it one more just to be sure. Okay, now we're good. That's it. That's clean. You know, there's a quick way to clean a roller. The brush, forget about it. There is no, really doesn't work with the brush. I got to go the classical way. So, but most of the time we cannot save them. But it works great for the rollers. Once again, do it as quick as you can, and use the motion, the spinning feature to remove all the paint from it, and it will almost be dried. Thank you for watching.